let's open some more mail. We are going to start with a package from Stacy in Texas. Cool! A blue snake. I love your channel. I want to get my own snake one day. In the package I included a toy for you and 2 things for Cheyenne. I look forward to giving you fan mail. Aw, thank you, Hunter.
This one's from Australia.
Ooh, Australia? Oh, it even has a kangaroo on their envelope.
Oh, nice.
That is awesome! From Poppy. My daughter Poppy is 7 years old and a reptile enthusiast. She has a bearded dragon and really wants a snake. Aw, there's a lot of artwork in here too! How cool is that? Yeah, Cheyenne, look! It's you! Look, that's you! We have a crested gecko card and a little sea turtle. Thank you! Is this just tape?
Too bad we have a knife.
Aha!
Too bad Emily has a knife, which is scary. There you go.
Yes! That's how we open it. There is...
Don't pull.
Uh-oh. Oh no! I thought it was just a letter! Aw, this is really cute. Aw.
It's got hearts all over it.
That's what happens when you cover it in tape. I couldn't open it. This is a shrinky dink. You put it at 350 on a lined baking sheet for about 3 minutes.
Right.
Thanks,
So
Kaylee.
tape and then.
Do we put tape on before or after the oven? Oh, I feel bad. This is really cute. All right, we'll try to fix it. This is from Emma and Chloe from Ohio. Oh, she did have to poop. Oh, there's pictures of them. Well, since
Anything that's not.
yeah, since it's pictures of you, I won't show those on camera, but you guys are adorable. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's artwork in here and a letter. Aw, there's like candy cane and shirts with cool merch ideas on them. More candy cane. Look at all of this. And a hognose snake. Oh, super. Oh. And Fat Rex.
Fat Rex.
Rex is kind of
Rex
chunky.
is getting chunky.
Yeah, this is an accurate description or illustration of Rex. Thanks, guys! There's also a bracelet in here!
With a
What
lizard charm.
is that a lizard? Oh, it's a dragon! Look at that.
Nice, even better.
Perfect!
It's totally gonna
Thanks,
fall off 'cause
guys!
it's fishing string. But
Okay, it might fall off, but I'll wear it for as long as it stays on for.
catch.
Oh, hello. Oh, this is heavy.
That's a heavy one.
Wow, this is from Vivian in Maryland. We have...
Nice.
Are these gummies?
Stretchies.
Oh, they're stretchy animals.
Stretchy alligators.
Stretch them out. Oh, cool.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that. You can't have this,
No,
Cheyenne.
you'll just poke it.
Oh, they're so sticky.
I guarantee that'll stick to.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
Yes!
I'm gonna try it one more time. Yeah! Oh.
You like crunched.
Oh, he did. There's more in here too, though.
Nice.
Vivian also sent us. Oh, gummy snakes! These are edible. Let's open them up. All right. And glow in the dark snakes. Holy cow. And a turtle. My goodness, Vivian, you sent us so much. This is from Evelyn in Virginia. Oh, jeez. Pokemon cards are
Nice.
spilling
I know
out
that
of
one.
this.
That was oddish.
That is oddish. And an evolution.
Oh, there's Eevee in here too.
Aww. Oh, holographic Eevee.
Yeah. Best Pokemon card we've gotten. Right here. Right here, guys. They do.
Evelyn also sent us all sorts of cool dragon drawings. Thank you. Thank you so much for the Pokemon cards too. Those will be awesome to add to the deck. This is from No Name. Okay. Let's find out. Ooh, oh, it's a bracelet. I'm gonna put that on. This says, Dear Ed, you are, okay.
You are amazing, and I wish you were on camera more. You rock. Aww.
That is adorable.
Hope you like the bracelet.
Oh, there you
Thank
go. I guess that wasn't mine. Oh, nice.
Hopefully that's not fragile.
It's a box from Josie in South Carolina. Oh, wow. There's a lot of stuff in here. My daughter Josie, who is 6 years old, found your YouTube channel recently and is quite obsessed. She drew the pictures of your critters and wanted to send you her art and a few of her favorite toys. Oh,
That's adorable.
Josie, that's so sweet of you. She's also decided to throw in her absolute favorite, the black snake she calls Snake Lake. She says she'll miss him but wants to share and let people see him too.
Aww.
Oh, Snake Lake here.
Yeah.
Oh, Josie, that is so nice
Looks
of
like
you.
Snake Lake.
Okay, Snake Lake can
Go
watch.
next to the alligators.
Yep, he can visit the alligators and watch us for the rest of the mail opening. There we go. There's also a feather in here from maybe a pet bird, and a stuffed snake, and some other reptile toys. Oh, there's Rex right there. Thank you for all the gifts, Josie. From Honey in England, we have some awesome artwork, including a green tree python. That's kind of cool. Oh my goodness. More Pokemon cards.
And then a fat old Pikachu. And the original Charmander. A dark Jolteon.
From Bree, we have a drawing of Lumpy, and there's also a drawing of Cheyenne.
Wow,
That is adorable. It's like if you had all your feathers.
yeah, and you weren't naked.
Yeah. This is from Sabrina from Georgia, but it says, "Attention Ed." You've got to open it.
I got a pen!
Oh!
I love your
replacement.
videos. My name is Sabrina, and I am 7 years old. I am sorry Ed lost his pen.
That's adorable. You're going to be clicking that the rest of this video, aren't you? He plays with,
Fidgeter?
he's a fidgeter. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So this is actually something I missed. I think it was from Vivian's box. This is Horsehair Creations by Celia. We'll give you a shout out. This is a cool, I guess, a horsehair keychain that's braided. That's really cool. I might gift this, if it's okay with you, to my mom, who has 3 horses, and they are her world. I'm sure she'd get a huge kick out of this. It's really beautifully made. Thank you. Box time. That almost hit you, Cheyenne, but it didn't. I saved you. Yes. My name is Hannah, and I'm 11 years old. I live in New Hampshire. Aww. She sent us some drawings. Oh, and individually wrapped gifts, too. Aw, they're clay creations.
Nice.
We have a turtle and a snake. Whoa. A really cool Decay's brown snake. My goodness, there's a bunch in here. And it's, I was gonna say Rex.
Possibly Rex?
Maybe Rex. Maybe Rex. Cool stuff. Thank you. This is from Amelia and Rose in New Zealand. That's crazy. This came a long way. I love Rexy and Cheyenne. They are my favorite animals on the channel. Mom's favorites are Doug and Peanut. Cute. This is from Rose. Oh my goodness, there's even a wrapped gift in here. Oh wait, this is the gift. Oh, it's a shopping bag that folds into itself.
Wow, that's really cool.
That is really cool. Thank you so much, Rose. Snakes rule. Thanks for the bracelet, the snake bracelet, Christopher. Aw, Bella loves snake discovery. Whoa, look at these feathers. Yeah, this is totally a Moluccan crest feather. And another Moluccan feather, I think. These, what do you think these are? They're too big to be conure feathers. Do you think they're like...
They could be like a severe macaw.
Yeah, a severe, like a red-bellied or Illigers
Yeah.
or something. Well, we're gonna add them to our
Feather jar.
feather jar right up front, and let's find out what they are. The white and the pink ones are from a 64-year-old salmon-crested cockatoo, aka, I think that's also another name for the Moluccan. This is totally a Moluccan crest feather. Named
65
Piero.
years old.
That's an old cockatoo. The green and purple ones are from Melody, the Maximilian Pionis. And that makes sense, Pionis, I didn't even think of that. And the bluish one is from Cuckoo the Illigers macaw.
Got one of them, right?
Yeah, I got one of them. Thank you, Audrey. Okay, Cheyenne, do you like Adria's feathers? Oh, my goodness.
Apparently that's a no.
Here. Oh, man, she's throwing them off. These are from Miley. The light green is for you. Dark green is for Ed. I think this one is the dark green. You get a bracelet from Miley. Aw, from Haley. I can't include the picture because it's a picture of her and Haley, you're adorable, with your carpet python. How many snakes are in Australia? What's the biggest snake in Western Australia? What's the best food to give a snake? And how can you tell the difference between a boy and a girl snake? Those are great questions. Easiest one to answer, I guess, just off the top. Best food to give a snake. Honestly, rodents make a complete diet for most snakes. Some are specialized eaters, but for the most part, rodents work really well.
Oh, it's for me.
That's for you?
Yeah, look at that. It's got a derpy owl. And it sees a bug. And there's a green tree python right there. Thank you, Zoe.
This is a watercolor painting of Rex from Chloe or Chloe. Oh. Whoa, that's pretty cool. That's really neat. Thank you. I love all the details you put in the scales, and you got her upturned snout. Oh, that's perfect.
Nice.
from Landa in New Jersey. There's, oh, a snap bracelet.
Whoa. Nice.
Oh, never mind. It's not for me. It's for you.
Snap me.
Hey! Did I get one too? For Emily. I haven't had one of these in so long. Mir also sent us some candy. And like Lego candy.
Nice. Candy bricks.
We could build things. Thank you, Mir. Ooh, Jaden from Canada. Sorry, I couldn't resist. There's a picture of their dog and their blue-tongued skink.
Oh, that's a pretty blue tongue.
Yeah, it is. And their leopard gecko. And a necklace. Perfect. This is from another Emily. This Emily is from Georgia. So we have a question from Emily who sent this is, or what is your favorite character from the Hunger Games? That's a good question. Ooh, the Mockingjays? Those are cool.
I like PETA, but I hated how that series ended.
I know, it wasn't satisfying, was it?
No, it wasn't, because PETA was different.
I know, he changed.
Yeah.
He should have changed back. Should have been a happy ending.
Yeah.
I agree. Here's a question from Alyssa. When you are on your monthly, can you still interact with snakes? Yeah?
However,
Where are you going with this?
iguanas, you cannot.
That's true. Iguanas can
Iguanas
act.
can be territorial when it comes to women on their cycle.
I live vicariously through your collection. Aw, thanks for the letter, Zoe. This is
Nice.
for you.
Mine.
You gotta open it. It's from Kansas.
From Kansas. It says, thank you so much for all you've done. I wanted to give you this, Ed. I tried to make it easy to open. You did. It was really easy to open. And I love Doug and want to see Ed more. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's another bracelet. Let's see if I can get it on.
Here is Alexis's ball python Salazar. Gorgeous albino ball python. That was Ed's first snake.
Now I have 3. Whee!
Whoa, box time from Olivia, actually.
And just so we can see what Cheyenne's doing, she's putting herself to bed because she's being a twerp.
Yeah, she's really wanted to go to bed, so we decided to let her. Goodbye!
Good night.
On part 4 of your fan mail unboxing, it was very amusing when Ed sang baby snake doo 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 doo. It was hilarious. I really want Ed to show up on camera more, but only if you're comfortable with it. Cute. Will you and Ed have kids? Nah, I'm allergic. Olivia also sent us a new bracelet. Putting it on. Oh, it even says my name on it. Oh, wait. There's one for you, too. A new bracelet for Ed. Hey! This is from Mary in Massachusetts. This one has another bracelet. I think this one, you should wear this one. That one's for you. Beautiful. You've got all sorts
A
of colors.
tortoise and a dove on it.
That's an awesome drawing.
I'm pretty sure Doug.
Yeah, it totally looks like Doug. This is from Hayden in Michigan. Look at this.
Oh, it's Mecha Cheyenne.
Mecha Cheyenne.
Too bad she left.
She just went to bed too.
She'll never know what she missed out on.
Cheyenne.
Oh, she's got snake for fingers.
Oh my gosh. That is the most epic drawing of Cheyenne I have ever seen.
Mecha Cheyenne.
Good job, Hayden and Davis. This is legendary.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this is like frame worthy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Wow, that was heavy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Just the
gosh.
box.
Hannah, there's money in here. Hannah, you didn't have to do that. $5. We'll buy a good snack for Rex with that. The first video that I watched of yours was what it's like to have a pet alligator. This is the most derpy yet adorable picture of Rex I think I've ever seen. And I love it. She also sent us a tree. I wonder if there's like pieces that all go together. And a painted turtle. And a Mexican black king snake. Oh, cool. Man, okay, these are gonna go on this side. Thank you, Hannah.
Look at that.
Ooh, is it from Australia?
It is from Australia.
Ah, this is from, yep, Charlotte in Australia. Oh my goodness.
Shiny box under there.
Oh, it's like a present.
Open on camera from Charlotte to Snake Discovery, Australia, home of the inland taipan.
Ooh, the most venomous snake on earth.
Deadly, very deadly.
Oh, whoa, there is a bag just for you. Okay, there you go. Let's see. I will read the contents as you're opening it up, because it says on here, there is a large special 50-cent coin and some Australian chocolate.
furry friends and a bunny.
You got chocolate?
I did get chocolate. It's got a echidna on it and a platypus.
Oh, cool.
In Emily's bag. Oh, I got the special 50p.
You got the special one?
Yeah.
Oh.
There is a normal 50-cent coin, a normal 20-cent coin, and a 10 and 5-cent tube.
Oh, I got the coins. 50-cent coins. Oh my gosh, they have kangaroos on them. Oh, and chocolate. Oh, I got Furry Friends
And
chocolate too. Ooh. It's like mint sticks.
What are those Pockies? They're like Pockies. They look like Pockies.
It is kind of like Pocky. Ooh. These are good. They taste just like After Eights. The square mints.
Except these have like crunchy things in them.
Yeah. Same flavor, different texture. That is delicious. Oh my gosh. There's even toys for Cheyenne in here.
I mentioned that.
And
finally for Cheyenne, there's some wooden toys for her and a blanket.
I woke up Cheyenne so that we can end this video with her gift to her from Charlotte. Cheyenne,
You've inspired Charlotte to have an indoor reptile center in Sydney.
Get it! Good girl! Oh, good job, you throw it. Good girl! Oh, she loves it. Thank you, Charlotte. Thank you, everybody, for your gifts. I think we're going to end it here, because that should be plenty, probably more than you really want to see.
2 hours of unedited footage.
Yes, 2 hours of unedited, so hopefully, bless you. Yep, bless you. Thank you, everybody, for all of the support, all of the amazing gifts. We do read all the letters that come in. We look at all of the amazing artwork you send. I'm sorry if we're not able to include it all in the video, but at the end of this video, I'll show you some of the artwork that we do receive, and we try to show at least one piece from every envelope, so hopefully you'll see yours in there too. Thank you to all of the Patreon supporters as well for backing our channel, and I hope you enjoyed watching us open these gifts, and if you sent us one of these, let us know in the comment below. Let us know what you sent you. We love it all.
We still have a ton to go through, so I'm sorry.
There'll be another video coming out too. Check this out. That's the whole pile that we haven't gone through yet, even after 2 hours of opening. Do you see that big box at the bottom?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one is huge. It's like 30 pounds.
There's that, and there's also that.
All these envelopes. Yeah, we still have a lot to go through, but we're going to cut it here so that it's not too long of a video, and I don't want you to get bored. We will have another one coming out soon, though, because we're going to try to catch up on all of the mail that we've been receiving. So stay tuned for that, guys, and we'll see you next time.